Hello, children. Today we will count numbers from 11 to 20. Let's count slowly and together. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Yeah!
Kids, say with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
These are numbers from 1 to 5.
Kids, say with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. That's right. This is number 11.
This is 11. 11. 11.
Number 11. These are 11 stars. Number 11. Say with me, number 11.
This is number 12. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12.
This is 12. 12. 12.
This is number 13. 13, 13. Say with me, 13.
This is 13. 13. 13.
Number 13. Here are 13 cars. Look at this number 13.
This is number 14. 14, 14. Everyone say with me, 14.
This is 14. 14. 14.
Here are 14 cats.
This is number 15. 15, 15. Everyone say with me, number 15.
This is 15. 15. 15.
Number 15. Here are 15 caps. Number 15.
This is number 16. 16, 16. Say with me, number 16. 16.
This is 16. 16. 16.
Point 16 flowers. Here are 16 flowers.
This is number 17. 17, 17. Everyone say with me, this is number 17.
This is 17. This is 17. This is 17.
17. Number 17. Here are 17 cups. Number 17.
This is number 18. 18, 18. See everyone, number 18, this is number 18.
This is 18. This is 18. This is 18.
Number 18. Here are 18 pens. Number 18. Say with me, number 18.
This is number 19. 19, 19. Come on everyone, say with me, number 19.
This is 19. This is 19.
Number 19. Here are 19 balls. Say with me, number 19. 19 balls.
Number 20. This is number 20.
20.
20.
20. Everyone say with me, this is number 20.
This is 20. This is 20. This is 20. This is 20.
Look at this. Here are 20 potatoes. Number 20. 20 potatoes.
11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20.
Let's sing and play with ABC. Don't forget to like and subscribe.